Ever wondered how to unlock the true cinematic potential of your Canon Eos 250d? First, switch your camera to video mode, usually indicated by a small camcorder icon on the dial. Next, dive into your camera's menu. Looking for movie rec quality? This is where the magic happens. For crisp, detailed footage, always aim for Full HD or 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then, consider your frame rate. 25 frames per second is great for a natural look, while 50 frames per second allows for buttery smooth slow motion. Remember, higher frame rates give you more flexibility in post-production for those dramatic slow-mo shots. Now, let's talk compression. IPB standard is a fantastic balance between file size and quality, perfect for general use, for even higher quality and more editing flexibility. Especially if you're color grading, explore IPB Light. It offers a higher bit rate. By mastering these settings, you'll elevate your Canon 250d videography from good to truly stunning. Experiment and see the difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Canon Eos 250d tips.